Hey there, car enthusiasts and collectors. Today, we are diving into a topic that's got me thinking about the beauty of originality and the art of restoration. Let's talk about this stunning 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 convertible, a true classic that's been carefully preserved and restored to its former glory. Now, I'm a big fan of custom cars, don't get me wrong, but there's something special about an original, especially when it's been so well maintained. You see, the world of American car collecting has a soft spot for the 60s and 70s, and it's fascinating to see how certain models become favorites for modification. The Chevrolet Chevelle is one of those cars that truly shines in its original form. It's like a delicious dish that's best served raw, and this particular Chevelle has been treated to a meticulous restoration process. The attention to detail is incredible, the iconic features and traits of the car have been preserved, yet a subtle touch of modernity has been added, creating a unique blend of old and new. What makes this Chevelle even more special is its matching numbers and transmission, which is a rare find. Even the complicated components have been restored, ensuring they are in perfect working order. The 396 CI engine, for example, has been rebuilt with a new Rochester carburetor, and the exhaust system has been overhauled. It's like a time capsule, capable of delivering the same power and performance it did decades ago. Inside the cabin, you'll find a sea of originality. The factory air conditioning still works, which is mind-blowing considering its age. All the gauges, including the clock, are fully functional, a true testament to the quality of the restoration. The only modern addition is a Bluetooth-capable radio, which has been seamlessly integrated into the factory design. This Chevelle is about to go up for auction, and it's a real treat for collectors and enthusiasts. Barrett-Jackson, a renowned auction house, will be selling it at their Palm Beach event in Florida, and it's expected to fetch a pretty penny. With its factory build sheet, original warranty information, and owner's warranty plate, it's a complete package. So, what do you think? Personally, I find it fascinating how a car like this can be both original and restored to such a high standard. It's a delicate balance, and it raises the question, when is it better to preserve the original, and when is it time to add a modern twist? It's a debate I'd love to explore further with you all. Until then, keep an eye out for this Chevelle, it's a true gem in the world of classic cars. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter. See you in the next video.